Hey guys, it's Lauren Hefez. Today we have a standing arm series. That means you just need you. No weights. You could do it anywhere. Before we get started, I wanted to share with you something super exciting that I've been doing the past couple months. I've been creating a full body 30-minute workout that you can have in your inbox every Wednesday night. Now that link is going to be good, meaning live and active, for 1 full week. So every Wednesday, I create a new workout, a new full body 30-minute workout that you can have every week. It is $5 for the class link, and I email it right to you. You can purchase the class link at laurenhefez.com under Take Class. I'll also put the link down below. If you have any questions, feel free to message me and email me, whatever you want to do. But just remember, it's going to be 30 minutes. It's going to be a full body workout, and it's $5. Purchase on my website at laurenhefez.com. I can't wait to hear from you and see you, and let's get to the arm workout. The arms out, circle back. Palms front and back. Squeezing in those shoulder blades. Circle back. Palms front and back. And circle. Don't drop those arms, you got this. My bracelets are a little clingy, just adding to the music, it's all good. Here we go, front and back. Elbows, we pull them in, reach, reach, that's it. Twist, twist. Reach those fingers as long as you can, and then pull those elbows right to your side. Push, push. Let them out, little reaches, press, 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 press. Big reach, press, press. Circle back. For 4, 3, 2. Now little slaps in. Keep going here. I'm gonna take off those bracelets. Keep going. In. Slap, slap, slap. You got it. Don't drop those arms. In. Yeah, much better. Here we go. Circle back. Breathe through this. Woo! We take the arms in, press back. Palms up, palms back. Twist. Watch those hands. Twist. Twist. There you go. Twist. Twist. Boom. 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 Push the chest. Front. Push that feet. Push. Woo. Yes. 4 more. 4. Twist 3. Twist 2. Now hold it back. Hinge front. Palms to the sky. Lift, lift, lift. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Shoulders are back, chest is open. You slap those arms up. 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2. Now little bend, reach, reach, reach. Chest is open, arms are long. Reach those fingers, hold it here. Shoulders roll back, turn your palms into each other. Now start to squeeze those arms in. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reach it out. In. Now palms are up. Open up that chest. Squeeze in your back. Hold it, back, palms back. There you go. Boom, boom. Thumbs are back. Squeeze it. We twist and push it out. Boom. Fist. Boom. Boom. Huh. 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 Punch it out. 4, 4, 3, Now hold it, punch it. Shoulders are back. Now flex those palms and push it. You have 3, for 2, and 1. Shake it out, arms up. Push your palms together, push your elbows together. Clap those elbows. Try not to let your arms dip. You're keeping them up. Shoulders down your back. Crush, crush. Now I am pushing my palms so tight together. Boom, boom, boom. Little faster. Click it. Click, 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 click. 4, 4, 3, 2. Now walk the change. We open up. Down, down. Drive those elbows back. Tap. Elbows back. Clap. Elbows back. Clap. Elbows back. Clap. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Tap the elbows. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 4, last 3, last 2, and 1. Shake it out. From the top, arms out, circle back. Palms, front and back. Circle back. Palms, front, back. Here we go. Reach, reach, reach to the diagonals. Don't stop. We're still going. We're still doing more. Push, 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 reach. Now add it, center in, press, press, press. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. Take it front and back. Front, right back. Front, right back. Front, right back. Hold it back. Palms back, you pulse it up. Tap, 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 tap. Now in and press. Press, press, press. 3, 2, hold it. Tap it up. Take it up, up, up for 10. Last 9, last 8. You got it. 7, tap it. 6, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh! Not done. Take it out. Elbows in, reach. Almost done, guys. You got this. Keep those arms working. We pull, 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 palms up. Woo! 4, 3, 2, hold it up. Bring it in. Squeeze, squeeze. Boom, 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 boom. 4, 3, 2, we open. Breathe. Draw down. Draw down. Pull. For 3, for 2. Hold it in. Clap the elbows in. Push those palms together. You got this. Final 3, 2, and 1. Open up and release. Roll the shoulders back. Drop your head to one side. Drop it to the other. Roll through that center. Take a deep breath. And exhale. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I am Lauren Hepez, and I will see you soon. Please comment below. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you love. Tell me what you like. Tell me what workouts inspire you.